Here's a 2007 Rheem Classic air conditioner at a friend's house. As you can tell, it's very quiet and very smooth running. Well, that's actually a rattle trap. If I take this brick off, you can hear it's pretty noisy. And it carries back here. But this brick keeps it quiet. It's just at a family friend's house. Here's the data sheet. It's got R22 refrigerant, 3-ton unit. From the 3rd week of 2007, so January of 07. There you go. 3-ton, and I believe REND, that series is 13 SEER. There's a plane flying over because there's an airport not too far from here in Lombard, Illinois. Suction line is cold and sweaty. The liquid line is just about outdoor temperature. And there's a Generac Guardian generator, and that's the gas line coming to it that you see right there. And there's a disconnect for that, and then there's the Wadsworth disconnect for this. This thing is really loud still. Still kind of rattling. Copeland scroll compressor. It's a very small compressor for a 3-ton unit. A small size, rather. You can tell it's very quiet. Kind of storms lingering. It's about 78 degrees out. And muggy. There's a very noisy Carrier Tech 2000 that just shut off over there. There you go, 2007 3-ton, 13 SEER Rheem air conditioner. And a Guardian Generac 14 kilowatt generator. Let's go take a look at the furnace here. More shot outside. I guess that light's burnt out. See if there's one that isn't. Here's one that's not burnt out. Alright, well here is the Rheem Classic Quiet 80 Super. It's a 2-stage furnace. You can tell it's 80% efficient. There's your chimney. It looks like they redid this water heater vent too, and they installed it back in 2008. Yeah, they installed it February 9, 2008. Intake, exhaust, condensate pump, runs this vinyl tube, 1/2 inch up in the laundry sink there. There's the Rheem unit outside. There's this line set that comes up. You can't see that. It comes down into the coil. It's an uncased evaporator. Liquid line's warm now, in here at least, because it's about 68 degrees downstairs here. Sits on this nice return box, because it sucks returner in the bottom rather than the side, which is more efficient in my opinion. There's ever heard of that Reliance water heater? There's the main return line running up. There's a side view. The furnace. An I-beam. There you go. Pretty clean installation, I'd say. Yep, I'm not going to take off the panels, but I was told that this is 100,000 BTUs input and obviously 80,000 BTUs output then. And it's from 2007 as well. Here's one more shot. Condenser again. Here's the furnace. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.